Okay, so now we've talked about tone color a little bit. And if you don't really fully understand it, that's okay. It's all good. It basically just means that each instrument kind of has a different sound and gives you a kind of a different feeling when you hear it. Okay? So, and that's kind of what we're going to be working with right now. Okay? So, I want everybody, kind of like what the description already said, I want everybody to go and grab a piece of paper, some scissors, a marker, or a pen, and then some coloring utensils. I have some crayons here. Once you are done that, we are going to get started, okay? So here we go. What I want you to do is I want you to take your piece of paper and I want you to fold it right in half. So we want it to look like a hot dog bun. Okay, very good. Now we are going to fold it again in half. Whoa. Just like that. Okay, so you almost have like a little card. Okay, now you're gonna open it up, and do you guys see the lines where we folded? You are going to cut along those lines. Okay. Good. Excellent. Okay, so now you should have 4 little rectangles like this. Okay, now there are 4 instruments that you are going to be listening to. You're going to be listening to the cello, the piccolo, and 2 others. I can't really remember which ones they are, but they are on your list, and you guys are just going to go and listen to the links. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to listen to each instrument being played. So for this demonstration, I am going to pretend like I just listened to the piccolo. So you have a couple of different options. I know that this is backwards for you, but you can write the name on your sheet, or you could try to draw. I am not very good at drawing, so we'll just kind of like make some like holes, and this is like the mouthpiece, kind of like that. The piccolo. Awesome. So now, kind of like what we were doing earlier when we were learning about tone color, is you are going to listen to the sound being played. And then I think that the piccolo sounds like, it gives me like the color orange. Okay? When I listen to it anyway, it kind of sounds like an orangey color. So I have this like really, really bright orange. And I think that the piccolo sounds like a really bright orange. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to color very, very briefly. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You could even just color, like if you decide to draw the instrument, then you can color the instrument this color, whatever color you choose. Now, I have heard other people say that the piccolo sounds like yellow, like bright yellow. I've heard other people say that it sounds like a magenta, like really, really, really bright magenta and bright pink. And I've heard other people say that it sounds like a really bright green, like a lime green. And so your color, whatever you decide, is not wrong, okay? It's just whatever you guys kind of think it sounds like, okay? And there's no judgment here. Whatever you guys decide is absolutely perfect. So for me, I decided that bright orange was my piccolo color. So now I'm going to listen to it one more time. And this time I'm going to put some descriptive words down. Okay? So And you guys, if you're feeling like it, you can also draw how it makes you feel. So, like for example, I think the piccolo sounds like super super almost like a fairy. So I'm going to draw a little, and I remind you guys, I am not a very very good artist, but I'm gonna draw a little fairy in the corner. See, I warned you, I'm a really good stick drawer, but not so good at anything else. So there we go. But then I also think that it sounds very bright. So I'm gonna write the word bright on here as well. So there we go, I got bright. And then I also think that the piccolo sounds almost like the sun, like a sun ray. So I'm gonna like draw a picture of a sun. There we go. Kind of rising above the clouds and stuff. And then I also think of it as kind of almost tinny. So it kind of sounds like very, very like, I don't know how to necessarily describe it, but it just kind of sounds like very, almost noisy. Okay? So I'm going to say tinny as well. Okay? So those are my descriptive words or drawings, and you can add as many as you want. If you have more than these for your piccolo, then you can definitely add more. It is whatever you decide. And then after you're done the piccolo, then you're also going to do one for the cello. You're also going to do one for the two others that I have for you guys. So at the end, you will have 4 of these guys, and they will just all kind of be 4 little colored squares. Okay? I hope that you guys have so much fun with this. Good luck, and I'll see you later.